What up YouTube, I'm back with another video here. As you can see right there, I got a hobby box of 2011 Prestige football. And there's all the cards right there. I'll show you guys in a sec. So there it is. Right there, 4 memorabilia or autograph cards per box. Sam Bradford on the cover. So there you go. First, I'll start off with, first off, there's all the base. Pretty good stack. But first, I'll start off with the inserts. First off, I got a PC card inside the numbers of Adrian Peterson, not numbered. I got 4 stars of the NFL. I got Darren McFadden, Ray Rice, Chad Johnson, no more Ocho Cinco, I guess, and Miles Austin. You got 4 prestigious pros. I got Santonio Holmes, Dustin Keller, DeMarcus Ware, and Richard Mendenhall. I got 3 draft class things. I got Jaquiz Rogers, pretty cool name. I got Ryan Williams, that's probably the nicest one I got. And John Baldwin. So those would be really pretty nice looking if they were autographed in person or something. Then I got 1 league leaders for sacks. It's got DeMarcus Ware, Tamba Ali, Cameron Wake, and Clay Matthews on it. It's not numbered. Got 1 rookie review, Jimmy Clausen, also not numbered. I got 1 of these approved draft things, the passport things, of Jordan Todman. It's pretty cool. And I got 1 connections insert of Eli Manning and Hakeem Nicks. So that's pretty nice. Those are the inserts. Then I will go to the rookies. I'm going to try to go through these kind of fast. Undrafted rookies: DeAndre Jordan, Darvin Adams, Courtney Smith, Pat Devlin, Mark Helslick. Now the regular rookies I got drafted: Devon House, Cameron Jordan, Justin Houston, Miles Paul, Austin Pettis, Robert Quinn, it's a pretty nice one, Dwayne Harris, Ryan Kerrigan, Kendall Hunter, Martez Wilson, Stephen Ridley, Bilal Powell, Jabal Sheard, Ronald Johnson, Cecil Shorts III. I love saying his name. And then the 4 nicest rookies I got really were Torrey Smith, Prince Amukamara, Daquan Bowers, and the best rookie I think is a nice AJ Green rookie. So that was really nice. Next, I guess I'll go for the numbers and short prints. This one I was really psyched about. It's probably the second most valuable card in the box. It's a short print rookie of Cam Newton. Him holding up the jersey. That's a really nice card. That's probably sell really good on eBay. So yeah. Then I got 3 draft picks 3 draft picks blues. 1 of Aaron Williams. That's numbered 403 out of 999. I'm trying to get this to focus because I'm not used to this camera yet. It's not going to work. Leonard Hankerson, draft picks numbered 52 out of 999. And a Tandon Doss, probably the nicest one, 832 out of 999. And they got 2 gold extra points. Got one of Johnny Knox. That's numbered 440 or 44 out of 250. And an Eli Manning gold extra points, numbered 109 of 250. Then I got 1 red extra points of Steve Johnson. That looks really nice with the Bills red. And that's numbered 35 out of 100. This one is really nice. I got this out of the first pack. This is a Thomas Jones purple extra points, numbered 42 of 50. There you can kind of see it. And the kind of the hit of the box, not really. Probably has close to the same value as the Cam Newton. I might be wrong, but it's a Johnny Knox Prestigious Pros Blue, numbered 9 of 10. You can kind of see that right there. That was really nice to get. And it goes along with the Johnny Knox, where is it? The Johnny Knox gold extra points. So, got 2 Johnny Knox number cards. And now for the hits. I'll go for the swatches first. First off, I'll go with this one first. Oh, camera fell. Sorry. I got a rookie review jersey of Ndamukong Suh. Not numbered. Pretty nice. Then I got a preferred jersey of Dwayne Bowe. And that is numbered 143 out of 250. So Dwayne Bowe jersey. And I got a patch card. It's a 1-color patch, sadly, but it's a player that I really admire and I think is really gonna be a star when he gets a lot older. I mean, he's a pretty good star right now, but I think he'll get better. It's a 1-color patch of Sidney Rice for the Vikings. Not numbered, but it's a pretty thick card. So that's really nice right there. And then I got 2 autographs. This was the very first hit I got. It's a draft picks right autograph of Jarrell Jernigan. Not the best hit, but what can you do? Number 318 out of 499. And the hit, it's not the hit of the box. It's probably worth about $5, but it's really good for me because I would collect this guy because he went to Wisconsin, where I live. So I collect them. So here it is, a John Clay autograph, right there. Even though this is numbered 738 out of 1499, I mean it's still pretty high numbered, but still that means a lot to me because it's a Wisconsin hit. So I'm really glad I got that. Oh, excuse me. So there you go, John Clay autograph, and that's it. After that, I'll make after this video, I'm gonna make a card shop recap because that's where I got this box. So, and there's all the decoys, just for you want to know. So once again, my favorite part of the box is John Clay autograph. So thanks guys for watching. See you later.